LMS training, how to create a reservation. To create a reservation, click on the white plus sign on the upper left-hand corner of the screen, right below where it says Dashboard. Next, click on the blue magnifying glass next to the rate plan field. A new window will pop up. Enter the date of the guest's stay and departure. Apply guest player's card number on the casino line, if available. Now press the blue Search Quotes button on the bottom left of the pop-up screen. Select the proper rate plan based upon room type and room rate. Then, click on the blue Save Rate button on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Enter the guest's first and last name. If the player's card number is available and applied, all information will automatically be filled in. Now scroll down and enter the guest's personal information. Next, click on the blue Create button on the bottom middle of the screen to complete this process. Whenever possible, obtain the guest email address so we may send them offers to invite them back to the casino to play. After entering all the guest's personal information, scroll down and add comment for length of stay and at what rate. Scroll to the top of the reservation and click on the blue More button below the Front Desk tab. Select Send an email confirmation so the guest receives a confirmation of their email. Add your comments in the comment section, notating the rate of stay and the length of stay. So if you had a room for $199 a night, note it $199 per Rainmaker and add comment. Next, scroll up and click on the More drop-down menu. Click on Email Confirmation and then click on Send Now.